Hello everyone, welcome to another PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to use Discord on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Now, if you want more videos just like this on PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5, you can check out our channel for more. Now, let's get started. So, basically, how can you use Discord on PS4 without actually using the PC? So you need to navigate to your library. So go to your library in your PlayStation 4. You can access the PlayStation 4 browser. So go to the applications. From there, go to the internet browser. From there, you want to go to discord.com. Now here, as you can see, you can sign in with your Discord account. Now keep in mind, the user interface will look a little bit different, but just make sure that you go and that you sign in and open the Discord on your PlayStation 4. Now, this is the only way, and this is how it's going to look like, but this is the only way how you're going to use Discord on your PlayStation 4. Now, obviously, it's not the best, right? It's not the best solution out there, but it's a solution that works really well. As you can see, you will get everything right here, and you will be able to navigate through your, with your joystick through Discord on your PlayStation 4. Now keep in mind the PlayStation 4 does not have an application for Discord, although once this video is recorded, maybe there will be Discord application on PlayStation 4 soon. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want more videos just like this, you can again comment down below for more video ideas or subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. Thank you guys for watching.